I love these two buildings here. I guess that's a barn, and I'm not sure what that other building is. All right, guys, we are heading down to Malta. 25-minute drive, and I'm down at the Little Achievers. That's the name of this venue, and it caters to kids from anywhere from newborns to pre-K, which is pretty much 4 or 5-year-olds. And what I do is I go, I'm there every week, and I meet with different groups of kids every week. This week it's just one group of kids, and it's the older kids, the 4 and 5-year-olds. Probably none of this is going to make it to the video, but I'm saying it anyway. Well, guys, we had 2 days of sunshine to start off the new year, and now we're on day 2 of grayness. Although, it's still early in the day, so who knows, maybe the sun will come out. I don't think it's predicted to, though. Tell you what, the first time I came to this place, it was a nightmare. I couldn't figure out how to get here. And I went through like 6 traffic circles. I found a much easier route, no stress involved, and it's shorter, and it's stress-free, and it's a good little ride. All right, we're gonna go in there and do our thing. Let's get down with the kids. $3.16. I don't think I've ever seen it that low. I don't even remember it being that low. And if you pay with the Speedy card, it's $3.09. Now it's nice and sunshiny. That's good. So it looks like the 4th day of January. It's turning out to be sunny. So isn't the weather interesting? And we turned this way, which is the east, and it's cloudy again. But I do think that there is blue sky to the left, to the north. It just depends on where you are at the moment, I mean, look over there. That looks wonderful, right? And then this way, looks a little ominous. Bright and sunny. Bright and sunny. Love it. This is certainly going to look different around here by Sunday, Well, guys, I'm going over the mountain and through the woods to visit my parents to celebrate Christmas and my dad's 90th birthday. And my sister's coming with her family, and this will be a nice little get-together. All right, guys, we are dropping down into Seatown. Good to be home. Or back in my old hometown, where I grew up. Surrounded by mountains, too. And this mountain up in front of us, you can see this big hill way in the distance. I don't know if you can or not, but if and you can, that's the mountain my mom loves. That's my mom's mountain. That's what I say. It's Mom's mountain. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Mom's mountain right in front of us. And I'm going home with some nice home-cooked food. I got some awesome macaroni and cheese. and some baked ham. That's what we had for dinner last night. And I'm bringing that back home. I've got some Christmas cookies. I've got some vegetables left over from the party trays that we had last night. And some killer homemade chili. Some really good homemade chili, my mom said. So I've got that as well. That's frozen. This is not the Stewart's that I go to, but look at this, man. Stewart's is a popular place in this part of the country for sure. Well, when you live in farm country, you sometimes have to get stuck behind a big old tractor carrying the cow dung. Look at the size of those wheels. They're ginormous. All right, we are back home and we're pretty much ready for the storm tomorrow. Meaning I got the snowblower working. Yards picked up, driveways picked up. I think we're good to go on that. And just a few things around here to tighten up before the big storm comes. This is the snow song. This is the winter song. And these chimes sing this song every time we have a big snowstorm coming. Alright guys, the snow has started. Looks like we got some snow out there. It's definitely a white world out there, but there is not that much snow. I don't know if more is coming. I think we are supposed to get snow today, but not too bad. Not too bad. And I think it might be a fluffy snow, which would be nice. What do you think we have? Well, 4, maybe 4 inches. Well, I'm not ready to get out there yet. I've been playing around with the wood stove over here and how I could set it up for cooking and still keep the Tin Man in his full body up here. Which we figured out, right, Tin? Yep, so we think this is gonna work. He's alright with this setup. I basically just pushed the tin back a little bit here, or the echo fan, to the side as much as I could, and I could fit this pan in here fully. And then this is just like a little pan here, even smaller. That's right inside there. And this is great for cooking an egg or two. Or something small like that. I guess you could do a burger in there as well. Yeah, one thing that's nice about a snowstorm like this is it's so quiet and peaceful. Most people are hunkering down for the day. Snow day. I think we started about 11. And it's now 1:30. And the snow has finally tapered off, which is perfect. I'm done now. We are in for the evening, I do believe. I am done outside. Except to maybe step out and get some fresh air. But other than that, this is what we do on a snow day. We do the driveway. It's usually a significant part of the day, if there's any amount of snow. Which doesn't leave this old man a whole lot of time or energy for doing much more on that particular day. Man, that seems dark. Look at this place in here. I got cameras all over the place in here. For dinner tonight, we have macaroni and cheese with some baked ham. Leftovers from when I got together with my parents and my sister and her family. This recipe is amazing. So my brother's wife got it out of the local paper here, the local paper, back when we had a newspaper a few years back, and she got the recipe out of there, and it's been a family favorite ever since. It really is some of the most amazing mac and cheese for sure. So we're going to heat that up in a little while. And right now I'm just kind of settling into the evening here. And look outside, we got ourselves a cardinal. Now they're pretty sketchy, but we'll turn this on here and see if we can't get a little cardinal action. Yeah, that's what I use most of the time, is that little Osmo action camera. And I'm shooting with one right now, which is the same as this one right here. And they're kind of getting outdated. I mean, you know, they're a few years old. And then I've got this, I want to start using this a lot more, is this Canon Rebel here. Well, this is cool, guys. So my sister, for Christmas, she got me some beers. And with each beer, I had this one last night to welcome in the winter. But she wrote a nice little note on each one of them. Just really cool. Such a thoughtful soul. My sister. Jenny Bird. Thanks, Jen. I'm enjoying those beers. All right, let's step out. So one good thing about winter is you can keep like I've got my ice out here in this cooler, and I'm able to keep I've got some juice down here, and I've got a box of wine there just by the door chilling. Or if I want to have food there, you know, like it's just like a refrigerator right down here by the outside of my door. That that step right there, right inside, it's refrigerator temperature down here. Yep. Let's have a fire today. When I was a kid, I used to listen to, on the record player, a record. Let's have a parade today. Marching band record. That was, I played that record over and over. Well, good afternoon, kids. This is Jack Fireside right here. I'm using my Canon, my Rebel T5i. I never use this camera, but I want to start using it. It's definitely, you know, a much clearer picture. I just have to get used to how to focus it in and what to do with it, because it's all kind of new to me. You know what I'm saying? Anyway. Yeah. So we are out here in the RV, and sunny day, pushing the clouds away. Do, 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 I'm singing to you. Snow's falling down from the sky. Okay. Okay, Tin, what's up? You're having a hard time digesting food lately. You know? What's going on with you, butter? You got too much in your mouth right now? Too much in your tummy? Huh? What are we going to do about this? I know. Well, you got to keep going with it, though. Alright? Let's eat this food up that we have within us right now. Please. Okay?